This is where the treasure hunt actually begins. It's exciting. I'm hoping for something very substantial in the garden shaft.
Oak Island has mystified people for years, and the secrets it holds only deepen with time. Rick and Marty Lagina, stars of The Curse of Oak Island, have dedicated themselves to unraveling these enigmas. Typically tight-lipped about upcoming seasons, the Laginas have left fans eagerly anticipating the next chapter. However, recent leaks from a show insider have sent shockwaves through the Oak Island community, revealing tantalizing details about Season 12. Join us as we delve into the latest Oak Island leaks, new clues, and mind-boggling theories about this captivating location. Oak Island, the mystery, the curse, and the quest. In the misty realm of the Atlantic, off the rugged shores of Nova Scotia, lies a small, unassuming island that has captured the imaginations of treasure hunters and mystery enthusiasts for centuries. Oak Island, with its lush forests and rocky beaches, has long been the subject of stories and legends, whispered tales of buried treasure and unexplained objects that have beckoned to the adventurous and the curious. At the heart of the Oak Island mystery lies the allure of untold riches and the promise of solving an enigma that has defied explanation for over 200 years. The stories speak of ancient artifacts, hidden chambers, and a treasure trove of unimaginable wealth, all waiting to be discovered by those brave and persistent enough to unravel the island's secrets. But the quest for Oak Island's treasures is not for the faint of heart, for the island is said to be protected by a curse, a dark and foreboding warning that has echoed through the ages. Legend has it that 7 men must perish before the treasure can be found, a grim toll that has already been paid in part by the ill-fated explorers who have sought to claim the island's bounty. Despite the curse and the countless failures of those who have come before, the allure of Oak Island has only grown stronger with time. In recent years, the island has become the focus of a new generation of treasure seekers, led by the intrepid Lagina brothers, Marty and Rick. Fueled by a lifelong fascination with the Oak Island mystery and armed with modern technology and an unwavering determination, the Laginas have embarked on a quest to uncover the truth behind the legends. Their journey, chronicled in the hit History Channel series, The Curse of Oak Island, has captivated audiences worldwide, drawing viewers into a world of mystery, adventure, and the tantalizing possibility of long-lost treasures. As the Laginas and their team delve deeper into the secrets of Oak Island, they find themselves confronted by a complex tapestry of clues and riddles, each one leading them closer to the heart of the mystery. From ancient maps and cryptic symbols to hidden chambers and long-forgotten artifacts, the evidence they uncover hints at a history far richer and more fascinating than anyone could have imagined. The Money Pit, uncovering secrets in the depths. In the annals of Oak Island lore, no site has captured the imagination quite like the fabled Money Pit. Nestled in the heart of the island, this mysterious shaft has long been the focus of the Lagina brothers' tireless efforts to unravel the secrets that lie beneath. The story of the Money Pit is one that has been told and retold countless times, each iteration adding new layers to the mystery. It is said that in 1795, a young man named Daniel McGinnis stumbled upon a curious depression in the ground near the island's eastern shore. Intrigued, he and his companions began to dig, only to uncover what appeared to be a man-made shaft, complete with wooden platforms and layers of coconut fiber. As the legend goes, the deeper they dug, the more tantalizing the clues became. At 90 feet, they discovered a large stone slab inscribed with strange symbols, hinting at the presence of a vast treasure hidden below. But as they pressed on, the shaft began to flood with seawater, as if the island itself was seeking to protect its long-buried secrets. Over the centuries, countless treasure hunters have sought to conquer the Money Pit, each one driven by the promise of untold riches and the thrill of solving an age-old mystery. But time and again, their efforts have been thwarted by the island's seemingly impenetrable defenses, from collapsing shafts and booby-trapped flood tunnels to the ever-present danger of cave-ins and accidents. Now, as the Lagina brothers and their team take up the mantle of the Money Pit's exploration, they bring with them a new arsenal of tools and techniques, each one designed to probe the depths and uncover the truth that has eluded so many before them. With cutting-edge technology like ground-penetrating radar and deep-sea diving equipment, they are able to explore the money pit as never before, mapping out its contours and uncovering tantalizing new clues with every passing day. At the heart of their efforts lies the garden shaft, a cavernous opening that plunges deep into the earth, offering a direct path to the secrets that lie below. With the help of Dumas Contracting Limited, a team of expert mining engineers, the Laginas have extended the shaft to a staggering 90 feet, using a coring drill to reach down to promising depths of 95 feet and beyond. The team has uncovered tantalizing evidence of the money pit's long-buried treasures. Substantial metal traces have been detected in the depths, hinting at the presence of gold, silver, and other precious metals. And as they near what appears to be a wooden structure hidden beneath the surface, the anticipation grows with each passing moment. But the secrets of the money pit are not easily surrendered, and the team must contend with the island's ever-present challenges at every turn. From the constant threat of flooding and cave-ins to the cryptic clues and riddles that seem to guard the treasure's location, the Laginas and their team are tested at every step of their journey. The swamp and the old stone path, uncovering ancient artifacts. In the misty depths of Oak Island's southern shores, a new chapter in the quest for long-lost treasures has begun to unfold. As the Lagina brothers and their team shift their focus to the enigmatic swamp and the old stone path that winds through its heart, they find themselves on the precipice of a discovery that could rewrite the island's history. Leading the charge in this new phase of exploration are three intrepid treasure hunters. Gary Drayton, a master metal detectorist with a nose for hidden artifacts. Jack Begley, a fearless explorer with a passion for uncovering the island's secrets. And Billy Gerhardt, a seasoned excavator with a keen eye for the telltale signs of ancient human activity. Together, this trio has embarked on a comprehensive excavation of the swamp area, armed with state-of-the-art equipment and an unwavering determination to unravel the mysteries that have long lurked beneath the murky waters. With each passing day, they inch closer to a discovery that could change everything we know about Oak Island's past. As they dig deeper into the swamp's soggy depths, Drayton, Begley, and Gerhardt have already uncovered tantalizing clues that hint at a rich history of human activity in the area. Perhaps the most significant of these finds has been the presence of a man-made stone walkway, a winding path of carefully placed rocks that seems to lead directly to a large, imposing boulder at the swamp's edge. The discovery of this ancient pathway has sent shockwaves through the Oak Island community, raising new questions about the swamp's role in the island's long-buried secrets. Who built this walkway and for what purpose? What might the large boulder at its end signify? And could it be connected to the treasure that has eluded searchers for centuries? As the team presses on with their excavation, they find themselves grappling with these questions and more, driven by the tantalizing possibility that the answers they seek may be just beneath their feet. With each new artifact they uncover, from centuries-old pottery shards to mysterious stone carvings, they are painting a picture of a swamp that was once a hub of human activity, a place where ancient peoples gathered for reasons that remain shrouded in mystery. For Gary Drayton, the thrill of the hunt is matched only by the profound sense of history that emanates from each new discovery. As he scans the swamp with his trusty metal detector, he can almost feel the presence of those who came before, the ghosts of centuries past whispering their secrets to him through the ages. And for Jack Begley and Billy Gerhardt, the swamp has become a second home, a place where they have poured their hearts and souls in search of answers. With each pass of the excavator's blade and each careful sifting of the swamp's muddy soil, they are one step closer to a discovery that could change their lives and the course of Oak Island's history forever. The boulder and the mysterious stone foundation, nestled in the heart of Oak Island's southern shores, a peculiar formation has captured the imagination of Rick Lagina and his fellow treasure hunters. A solitary boulder, imposing and enigmatic, stands sentinel over the swamp and the old stone path, its presence hinting at a significance that has yet to be fully understood. For Rick, the boulder has become a source of endless fascination, a mystery to be unraveled, and a potential key to unlocking the secrets that have long eluded the island searchers. With each passing day, he finds himself drawn to its rugged contours and weathered surface, convinced that it holds clues to the island's past and its long-buried treasures. As the team begins to explore the boulder's surroundings more closely, they quickly realize that it is no ordinary rock. Its placement, just a stone's throw from the money pit in the old stone path, seems too deliberate to be mere coincidence. Could it be a marker left by ancient peoples to guide the way to hidden riches? Or might it be a remnant of some long-forgotten structure, a foundation stone for a building that has long since vanished from the island's surface? To answer these questions, Rick and his team have embarked on a meticulous study of the boulder and its environs, using cutting-edge technology and old-fashioned detective work to piece together the clues that lie hidden in plain sight. With ground-penetrating radar and 3D scanning equipment, they have begun to map out the boulder's subsurface structure, revealing a complex network of voids and chambers that hint at a purpose far beyond mere geological happenstance. But the boulder is not the only mystery that has captured the team's attention in this corner of the island. Just a few hundred feet away, buried beneath a circular depression in the earth, lies a mysterious stone foundation that has long confounded the island's searchers. For years, the prevailing assumption had been that this foundation was a natural formation, a quirk of the island's geology that had been mistaken for evidence of human activity. But as the team began excavating the site more closely, they quickly realized that they were dealing with something far more significant. Under the watchful eye of archaeologist Jamie Kuba, the team has begun to uncover a complex network of carefully placed stones and mortar, a foundation that bears all the hallmarks of deliberate human construction. As they dig deeper, they have unearthed tantalizing clues to the foundation's purpose and origins. From fragments of centuries-old brick and ceramic to shards of delicate glass that hint at a time when the island was a hub of human activity. The concrete-like substance, linking Lot 5 to the money pit. In the annals of Oak Island's long and storied history, few discoveries have sparked as much excitement and intrigue as the concrete-like substance unearthed on the island's fabled Lot 5. For years, this small patch of land has been at the center of the search for the island's long-lost treasures, a focal point for the dreams and aspirations of generations of treasure hunters. But it was only recently, thanks to the tireless efforts of the Lagina brothers and their team, that the secrets of Lot 5 began to be revealed in earnest. As they dug deeper into the earth, carefully excavating layer after layer of soil and rock, they found themselves confronted with a mystery that would soon consume their every waking moment. There, buried beneath the surface of Lot 5, was a strange and inexplicable substance, a concrete-like material that seemed to defy all explanation. It was as if the very ground beneath their feet had been transformed into something otherworldly, a substance that bore all the hallmarks of human intervention, and yet seemed to belong to another time and place altogether. At first, the team was baffled by this discovery, unsure of what to make of the strange material or how it might fit into the larger puzzle of Oak Island's history. But as they began to study the substance more closely, enlisting the help of some of the world's foremost experts in archaeology and material science, they found themselves drawn into a mystery that would soon consume their every waking moment. Enter Laird Niven and Emma Culligan, two of the most respected names in archaeological research. With decades of experience and a keen eye for detail, these two experts were uniquely qualified to unravel the secrets of the concrete-like substance and shed new light on the broader history of Oak Island. As they began their analysis, Niven and Culligan quickly realized they were dealing with something truly extraordinary. Using state-of-the-art techniques and cutting-edge technology, they were able to peer deep into the heart of the substance, revealing a complex network of minerals and compounds that seemed to defy all explanation. But it was only when they began to compare their findings to samples taken from the island's legendary money pit that the true significance of their discovery began to come into focus. To their amazement, they found that the concrete-like substance from Lot 5 was a perfect match for the material found at the bottom of the money pit, a discovery that sent shockwaves through the Oak Island community and beyond. Could it be that the two sites were connected in some way, linked by a common history and a shared purpose? Might the concrete-like substance be a clue to the island's long-buried secrets, a key to unlocking the mystery that has eluded searchers for centuries? As Niven and Culligan pressed on with their analysis, they found themselves grappling with these questions and more, driven by the tantalizing possibility that they were on the brink of a discovery that could change everything we know about Oak Island's past. And with each new piece of data they uncovered, each new connection they made between Lot 5 and the Money Pit, they moved one step closer to a truth that had beckoned from the depths for generations. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. Oak Island Insider exposed what happens in Season 12. According to an anonymous leak, in Season 12 of the show, the crew finally discovers the long-lost treasure. However, their excitement is short-lived as they encounter strange occurrences on the island, including unexplained noises. Upon investigation, they are shocked to find a group of men in hazmat suits who appear to have excavated the site, taking whatever was buried there. This has led to speculation that this was the exact location of the treasure and infamous Money Pit. What do you think? Is this a legitimate leak or just an elaborate hoax? Let us know in the comments. The treasure vault plug, a tantalizing clue. In the murky depths of the Money Pit, a startling discovery has reignited the flames of excitement and speculation among the Oak Island team. At a staggering depth of 211 feet, a solid chunk of metal has been unearthed, its presence hinting at the tantalizing possibility that the team may be on the verge of solving one of the island's greatest mysteries. The discovery of this peculiar object has sent shockwaves through the ranks of the treasure hunters, none more excited than Marty Lagina himself. As he turns the metal over in his hands, his eyes sparkle with the thrill of potential discovery, his mind racing with the implications of what this find could mean for their quest. For Marty and his team, the chunk of metal represents far more than just another artifact plucked from the depths of the Money Pit. It is a tangible link to the legendary treasure vault that has eluded searchers for centuries, a physical manifestation of the countless tales and rumors that have swirled around the island for generations. As they examine the object more closely, the team can hardly contain their excitement. The metal is clearly old, its surface pitted and corroded by the passage of time, but it is the shape and heft of the object that truly sets their pulses racing. Could it be, as Marty suspects, a piece of the long-lost treasure vault plug, a vital clue that could finally lead them to the riches they seek? The idea is tempting, and it is not unprecedented. For years, rumors have circulated about the existence of an elaborate flood trap designed to protect the treasure from prying eyes and hands. According to legend, this trap was triggered by the removal of a plug or seal, which would have unleashed a torrent of water into the vault, drowning both the treasure and any would-be thieves in the process. If the chunk of metal they have discovered is indeed a piece of this plug, it could provide valuable insights into the nature and location of the treasure vault itself. It might even offer clues as to how the trap was constructed and how it could be disarmed, bringing the team one step closer to the ultimate prize. Carbon dating revelations, the tunnel's ancient origins. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of Oak Island, few discoveries have been as significant or as tantalizing as the results of recent carbon dating tests. These tests, conducted on a small sample of wood recovered from a suspected treasure tunnel deep beneath the island's surface, have shed new light on the origins of the Oak Island mystery and have raised intriguing questions about the nature and purpose of the structures that lie hidden beneath the ground. The wood sample in question was carefully extracted from the depths of the tunnel, a narrow, claustrophobic space that winds its way through the earth like a serpent. The tunnel itself is a marvel of engineering, a testament to the skill and determination of the ancient builders who carved it out of the solid rock. But it is the age of the tunnel that has truly captured the imagination of the Oak Island team. According to the carbon dating results, the wood used to construct the tunnel dates back to the period between 1631 and 1684, a revelation that has sent shockwaves through the world of Oak Island research. This date range places the construction of the tunnel firmly in the pre-colonial era, long before the first recorded searches for treasure on the island. The implications of this discovery are staggering. If the tunnel is indeed as old as the carbon dating suggests, it means that the structures and artifacts that lie hidden beneath the surface of Oak Island may be far older and far more significant than previously believed. It means that the builders of the tunnel, whoever they may have been, were engaged in a complex and sophisticated engineering project at a time when the island was still a wild and untamed place. Exploring the Marsh, the search for a ship. Deep in the heart of Oak Island's sprawling marsh, a new chapter in the search for the island's long-lost treasures is unfolding. Here, among the tangled roots and murky waters, a trio of intrepid explorers is embarking on a quest that could rewrite the history books and shed new light on the mysteries that have long haunted this place. Leading the charge are three of the island's most seasoned treasure hunters. Billy Gerhardt, a man with a keen eye for detail and a nose for hidden clues. Jack Begley, a fearless adventurer with a passion for uncovering the secrets of the past. And Gary Drayton, a master metal detectorist with a sixth sense for buried treasure. Together, this intrepid trio has set their sights on a small patch of land near the edge of the marsh, a spot that has long been overshadowed by the more famous Money Pit and its many mysteries. But as they begin to explore this unassuming piece of ground, they quickly realize that they may have stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. At first glance, the area seems unremarkable, a tangle of grass and mud that looks much like any other part of the marsh. But as they begin to dig deeper, the team starts to uncover tantalizing clues that hint at a hidden history waiting to be revealed. The first sign that they are onto something special comes in the form of a strange stone road that winds its way through the heart of the marsh. This ancient pathway, worn smooth by centuries of use, seems to lead directly into the heart of the swamp, disappearing beneath the murky waters like a trail of breadcrumbs, leading to a long-forgotten treasure. As they follow the road deeper into the marsh, the team begins to uncover even more intriguing evidence. Scattered among the mud and muck, they find shards of pottery, bits of metal, and other artifacts that suggest a human presence in this place long before the first recorded explorations of the island. But it is the discovery of a strange wooden structure buried deep beneath the mud that truly sets the team's pulses racing. As they carefully excavate the site, they begin to uncover what appears to be the remains of a ship, its timbers worn and weathered by centuries of exposure to the elements. The discovery is stunning, and it sends shockwaves through the Oak Island community. If the team is right, and this is indeed the remains of an ancient ship, it could provide valuable clues about the nature and purpose of the many structures and artifacts that have been found on the island over the years. Investigating a ship in the swamp, the team uncovers well-crafted timber planking, hinting at a vessel deliberately hidden or abandoned there centuries ago. Gary suspects it might be the legendary Acapulco gold treasure galleon. As they dig deeper, tantalizing artifacts like Aztec coins and Spanish armor emerge from the muck, supporting their audacious theory. Painstakingly unearthing more of the mystery ship, Billy's keen eye discerns an ornate carving of a jaguar on a beam. Jack pulls up a golden Aztec mask, etched with hieroglyphs of Quetzalcoatl. The realization dawns that this unprecedented find, if proven, would rewrite history by showing a Spanish galleon reached Atlantic Canada. Borehole 10X in the Chapel Vault Theory. As the Lagina brothers and their team continue to probe the depths of Oak Island, one of the most intriguing avenues of exploration has centered around a mysterious opening known as Borehole 10X. Located in the heart of the island, this enigmatic shaft has long been a source of fascination for treasure hunters and researchers alike, offering tantalizing clues and raising new questions with every passing day. The story of Borehole 10X begins in the 1970s, when a group of intrepid explorers, led by the charismatic Dan Blankenship, first sought to unravel the secrets of Oak Island. Armed with little more than their wits and a burning desire to solve the mystery, they set about drilling a series of boreholes across the island, hoping to uncover new leads and insights into the treasure's location. It was during this initial phase of exploration that Blankenship and his team stumbled upon a curious anomaly in one of their boreholes, located at a depth of approximately 230 feet. As they lowered a camera into the void, they were astonished to discover what appeared to be a hidden chamber, complete with wooden beams and other man-made structures. This tantalizing find would come to be known as Borehole 10X, and it has remained a focal point of Oak Island exploration ever since. Over the years, countless theories have been put forward to explain the chamber's purpose and origins, each one more intriguing than the last. One of the most compelling of these theories centers around the idea of a hidden chapel vault, a long-lost repository of religious artifacts and treasures that some believe may be the key to unlocking the secrets of Oak Island. According to this theory, the chamber discovered in borehole 10X may be the entrance to this fabled vault, a gateway to a hidden world of untold riches and historical significance. In recent years, the Lagina brothers and their team have taken up the mantle of exploring borehole 10X, bringing with them a new level of scientific rigor and technological sophistication. With the help of cutting-edge equipment like the gyro claw, a remote-controlled grappling device, they have been able to probe the depths of the chamber as never before, uncovering new clues and raising new questions with every passing day. One of the most significant of these clues has come in the form of a series of tantalizing artifacts recovered from the depths of borehole 10X. From scraps of parchment and leather book bindings to an enigmatic object marked with the number 6, these finds have only served to deepen the mystery surrounding the chamber and its potential contents. But perhaps the most intriguing discovery to date has been the presence of a massive object, detected at a depth of approximately 170 feet within the chamber. Though its exact nature remains unknown, the sheer size and scale of this anomaly have led some to speculate that it may be the entrance to the fabled chapel vault itself, tantalizingly close and yet still just out of reach. The offset chamber and the ongoing quest. In the depths of the money pit, a startling discovery has once again ignited the fires of intrigue and speculation on Oak Island. As the team grappled with the challenges of flooding in the garden shaft, their efforts unexpectedly revealed a mysterious offset chamber, a hidden space that had long eluded detection. For Rick and Marty Lagina, the discovery of the offset chamber exemplifies their unwavering commitment to unraveling the mysteries of Oak Island. Despite numerous setbacks and challenges, the brothers remain steadfast in their pursuit of the truth, fueled by an unshakable belief that it lies hidden, waiting to be revealed. This groundbreaking discovery suggests an intricate network of subterranean structures that could unlock the island's age-old enigmas. With a mix of anticipation and caution, the team embarks on this uncharted exploration, aware that each step could unveil the truth or plunge them further into Oak Island's labyrinthine secrets. In the show's 12th season, the team plans to intensify their excavation efforts, venturing deeper underground while mindful of potential hazards like flooding that plague past explorers. Armed with advanced technology, extensive experience, and unwavering determination, they are prepared to face any obstacles as they delve further into the money pit and beyond, determined to finally uncover the truth behind Oak Island's most enduring mystery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.